Hi, my name is Amy Chapman, and I am a voice therapist and singing voice specialist. I'm actually a licensed and board-certified speech and language pathologist, and today I'm going to be giving some advice on how to warm up your voice. Warming up your voice is a foundational skill for all singers, no matter what or why you're singing. To start off a vocal warm-up, I actually like to begin with a full body warm-up. If your body's tired and body's not feeling ready, your voice is not going to feel ready. So we start with waking up the body, and that could be exercising, steaming and taking a shower, eating something, hydration, or even your favorite yoga practice. I like to start by getting my breath moving. So to do this, I like to start with a deep breath in and then out. And then deep breath in again and out on a hum. Feel free to do this as many times as feels comfortable. Then it's important to stretch your vocal cords. When you're stretching your vocal cords, you're essentially going up in pitch and then down in pitch. So as you go higher in pitch, your vocal cords stretch longer. As you go lower in pitch, they're shorter. So to stretch your vocal cords, I like to start low, glide high, and back low again on a do, like this. Do. Just like it's important to warm up your leg muscles before you start sprinting, these exercises help your vocal cords warm up and make them more pliable for singing songs. Warming up your voice starts with your body, then your breath, then stretching your vocal cords with exercises like humming and gliding.